Because he has schedule.
He has schedule.
Yeah, good.
Daming schedule.
Schedule.
He has a schedule.
So now?
Yeah, we just wanted to go live because we are going to... I can't. Oh my gosh. How do we... Go to PBS? How do we go to PBS?
I think kind of...
this phone. Because you have a big phone. Yeah.
Wow!
Oh! Baka may makita sila sa likod, ha? Sabihan nyo?
Don't feel like doing
Sa... Ano nga to? Chrome? Labig lang nabuto.
Wala ba siyang Google?
Ako din. Pero wala ako. Guys, alam nyo ba yung link?
Wait.
Guys,
baka sa Twitter natin meron.
Or baka sa hindi YouTube yung dati, no? Ayan, on air. Ayan. You need an app?
No, I don't think so.
Right? Desktop side. The desktop. Okay. On air, TV.
Huwag kayo mag-check na history.
Ayan. Ayan.
Wow!
Ito na. Galing ko.
Let's go.
May ads. Ala!
Mahirap talaga.
Yan. Okay na to, no? Is it good? Are these actual ads? I think actual ads siya nung ano.
Saya talaga mag-short, no?
Oh my gosh!
Where?
I am having technical difficulties.
Hindi mo i-full screen.
Yun nga, pag pinipindot yung full screen, nag-pinipindot yung ad. Ito naman siguro yun, no? Itanong mo nga.
Guys, nasa inyo
Itanong
na
sa Viber. Ito ba yun? Kasi hindi ako sure.
Dito. Sa mga Ano ba't may mga aso? Yan. Ads.
Baka nga. Hindi ko alam kung ads o ito talaga yung commercial ngayon sa TV.
Hi guys, sorry na nagkakaproblema po sila.
KBS News?
Me and Wilson will talk to you guys first. Kamusta naman ang araw mo?
Okay naman.
How's
or PBS too?
Oh, your hands are hurting, right?
Yeah.
Because of
did something.
Yeah, they did something. Yeah.
Kaya,
anong ginawa mo?
kaya napagod sa taon ko ngayon.
Bro, di gym ka pre. Anong gym?
Nagbuhat ng ano.
Tama ba?
Tubig.
Oh.
Ito yung pusang ano, yung pusang parang...
Links.
Oh, hindi.
Hala, kilala ko yan.
Links.
Siya yung ano.
Yung nang ano. Di ba links yung walang...
Ano? Sphinx?
Hindi, iba pa yung Sphinx. Ito yung may tawag dito, yung parang nangangagat.
Mga ganyan lagi.
Parang kurama yun.
Ano? Fox yun, boy.
May ganun ba?
Guys, it's DJ Chikatali by the way!
Let's go!
Let's go!
It looks good. It's looking good. Are all the VIP seats you have good? I mean, did you get your preferred ones? Why is there
so.
It's a bobcat, I think. It's a bobcat. Yeah, it's a something bobcat.
Search mo nga kung Bobcat kasi I think that's Lynx.
Makikita naman yan.
That's Lynx cat.
Bobcat.
That's a Lynx cat.
Really? It's a bobcat.
Not Bobcat, bro.
Oh.
A Bobcat is
Lynx.
like
I'm sure it's a lynx.
so hairy.
Lynx cat? It's not a lynx too.
Sphinx.
Iba pa yung Sphinx.
Alam ko wild yun eh. Yung pusa na yun.
Why are we talking about cats? We should be talking about our immortal songs.
Iba yung Sphinx ah.
Yung Sphinx yung mga chicken. Yung chicken sa palengke. It's a Madagascar something, di ba? Alam ko.
Ano nga yung pusa niya?
What up?
Madagascar.
So guys, alam niyo naman
daw ditong
ano yung day ngayon, di ba?
Wow!
Happy New Year daw.
Congrats!
I can't find it. I am tired. I need to find the KBS thing before it starts.
No!
Yeah.
Baka ito. Ano to? Donghaeng. KBS. Ito, diba? Tama diba?
Yeah.
KBS, diba?
NBC.
Ba't di yung sinasabi?
Hindi kayo nagtanong.
Ha?
Ay,
NBC boy!
NBC ba? Oh my gosh.
Ba't wala nagsasalita? Hindi ka
no bro, ano may
pagkakaalam ko kay BS. CBS 2!
KBS 2.
Ang galing mo kay Burley.
Guys, we only have
Ito, KBS
13 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 6:05 eh.
No.
Ayun, ito na.
Yeah.
No, it said
She said it will start at 6 p.m.
Yeah. Okay, we still have time.
Yeah.
Guys, go to the KBS2 channel. It's in the onair.kbs.co.kr.
yeah.
If you can watch it from the Philippines, I'm not sure.
Saturday.
Okay, we are on the KBS2.
Yeah.
I want to read comments, but my phone is there. Okay.
Si ano?
Ayan. Ooh.
Nanood siya.
Yes, Marcus is Barabeze. Papayo.
Siya ang pinaka-busy sa amin sa lahat ngayon. Sa ngayon.
Yeah.
Sa ngayon.
Ano nga niya, You betrayed me. IZX.
Isaac.
Please support IZX.
Isaac.
Please support IZX from Horizon.
Yeah.
Please support our baby Marcus.
Isaac.
It's IZX with the exclamation point, diba?
Yeah.
IZX.
Isaac.
And hindi siya si Marcus doon, guys. Guys, he is not Marcus there. He is Max.
He is
Yo,
Max.
Max!
Sir Max.
Isaac.
So please support our baby Marcus as he goes to IZX and promotes as IZX. He will still be part of
IZX.
Horizon. I mean,
Isaac.
of course he will.
I think
he will be forever.
is, I don't think we should.
Ano yun?
Parang siya yung ano,
Baby?
sa
Magne?
Oo,
M?
Mac na siya.
Oh, siya nga, ma'am.
Siya yung pinakabata sa ano.
Oo, kasi yung iba, ano na yun, 20, kasi meron kasi age ko, and then may 2003, and then may 1997. So he's like super young there. Because he's super young here, but he's more
Super young.
Super duper. Yeah. I think a lot of anchors were confused about it. Wait, meron pa tayo. We have 10 to 15 more minutes before the performance starts. Can we say that it's a performance? Yeah, right?
See you on November 3 Horizon. See you too.
See you.
Yeah.
See you.
Excited na kami!
Guys, kwentuhan nyo kami ng ano nyo, ng mga experience nyo sa pagkuha ng tickets. Like,
May nangyari ba?
May nangyari ba? Para magawa natin ang paraan.
Yan.
Or okay naman, is it all smooth sailing? Let's, you know, please
Pero
tell
para pa
us.
namang ano dyan. Parang mag number 2.
Ba't hindi nag-update yung comments mo, pre? Parang kanina pa to nandito.
Kaya Winston yan sa mine. My phone is there.
Ba't hindi nag-update?
Parang hindi nga nag-update. Naglolo ko. Kaya nag-out ako tapos nag-join ako.
Sorry for the notification.
Secured. Yay! Secured tickets!
Yeah, sana ma-sold out, guys.
Yeah, okay lang yung mga late enrollee.
It's fine. Marami pa kayong araw.
Yes.
Okay lang yan guys. Ako nga pag nag-enroll late ako eh.
30, ilang, 36?
Mag-suggest kayo pwede gawin pang science project. So, I think for science project, you can do volcano.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Ano yung happy
Nice
cake?
Clay? Ganun sa
Happy cake.
Sa'yo gawa kayo.
Medyo nugutom.
Tapos may pinapatak na something.
Kahit tayo, ito.
Ano kayo?
Yung chicken.
Wow! Down pera ni
Guys, see you there!
Yung cashier sa
We
SM
have-
ba ko or ang tagal mo pindot ng number?
Hala!
Guys, good things take time.
Yeah.
Hey.
We have 36 days
Yeah, tama, 36.
to go.
Flight ticket secured na din. Oh, some people are flying?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you so
From
much.
their
Me
town.
too.
Yeah, us too were flying. So please pray for a safe flight.
Have a safe flight.
Hindi pa natin
Nakwento mo pala yung ano, turbulence.
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 Tagalog kasi. Mas English pa nga yung turbulence eh. Parang mas turbulence.
Hindi, yung pag ano ka ba, turbulence.
Pag turbulence kasi yung mga Bisaya, mas mahilig sila sa E tsaka I.
Yeah.
So turbulence.
Yeah, it was so crazy. Kasi nung pumunta kami pa Korea, puro mga old people yung kasama namin. Mga may edad na. Kaya nagpapanik talaga sila, di ba? Pero alam niyo kung hindi nagpanik?
Grabe talaga yun.
May hindi nagpanik.
Register.
Ayun.
Siya...
Sabi niya kasi normal daw yun.
Normal pa yun basta walang nalalaglag na gamit.
Grabe, ang galing.
Hanggang hindi nag-aapoy yung engine. yung engine. Palagla.
Like, grabe, as in, sa likod tayo, parang gumanon talaga.
Yeah. Natutulog ako, biglang bumagon.
Biglang, buti na lang tayo nun. Naka-seatbelt tayo.
Pero buti na lang ako ay naka-noise cancelling mode. Sponsored by JBL. Binigyan tayo ng JBL ng mga headphones.
Complete set.
JBL lang talaga sa kalam kasi
Sa kalam?
Yeah.
Pero grabe, hindi ko talaga alam yung turbulence. Kaya, feeling ko...
Akala ko yun na yun.
Feeling ko, end ko na to, end of the world na to.
Di ba nagsabi ka, nag-break ka, di ba?
Oo, nag-pray talaga ako nun. Kasi hindi ko talaga alam yung turbulence na yan. So, pagbaba natin, sinetch ko siya. Tapos may 3 types pala siya ng turbulence. Pero
What are the 3 types? Please explain to our classmates.
Alimutan ko na eh. Pero may... Basta yung 3.
Wait, ano yung pinagkaiba-iba? Parang kung gano'n ka-intense, no?
Oo, yung iba... Naka-links sa taas.
Dahil sa clouds, di ba? Dahil ba yun sa clouds?
Dahil sa, tawag dun, di ba nagkaka-turbulence daw dahil sa...
Nimbus Stratus.
Different flow ng...
Kapoy!
Ayun, tapos, di ba bawal daw at
Kapoy daw, kapoy.
Yung hot, tsaka
Marcos, ang taas mo.
air. Ayun, kapag nagkukulad yung hot tsaka cold air daw, doon nagkaka-turbulence. Nag-different flow yung air. That's why.
Because I saw sa movie din, may nangyari, kung possible yun, may pumasok na ibon dun sa sa engine.
Wala
Yun yung pinakamalala.
Pero patay naman yun.
Yun yung pinakamalala.
Pero may chance
kasi
na-
bird strike yun eh.
So anong nangyari nun? Nag-uwi nga yung
You're on B.
Kasi yung blood nun, maapektuhan
kakalat sa
engine.
everywhere.
Lagot. Kaya mag-ingat kayo sa mga
Kaya mag-iingat.
Dapat kayo. Dapat.
Pray! Dapat lagi mag-pray.
Is there any dress code for the concert? Yes, it's a school uniform.
Because you're our
Nasabi mo dun
classmates.
Yeah, but if you don't have school uniform, you can
Bye.
doctor uniform, teacher. Ano pa bang uniform?
Basta uniform guys!
Kahit anong uniform.
Uniform. Basta yung mga mga teacher, pwede pumunta dun.
Yeah.
Police uniform.
Kahit anong uniform ka.
Yeah.
Tapos, basta
And it's
masaya.
November 3 lang days away ba yun? Hey Google, how many days away is November 3?
Guys, sa mga nagtatanong kay Marcos, sinabi na po namin, wala po siya dito. Kanina pa kayo eh.
Wag na kayo. Nagagalit na siya.
Nagagalit na siya ito.
May
Hindi pa kasi
schedule.
siya nakakain.
Kaya naman kasi late kayo nag-join. Hindi dapat nag-join.
Oh, pag sa mga class nga naman kasi, nangyari na yun sa inyo sa class na
Oo, yung teacher nagpe-present na ng something, tapos
Ako na-try ko na.
yung pagpasok mo, tapos ang awkward kasi titignan ka nila lahat.
Oo.
Yun yung dun. Tapos mapapangiti ka na, ay sir, sorry po, late po.
Early kasi ako lagi pumasok. Wow.
Hindi, na-try ko din yan. Late ako tapos, di ba may mga window doon sa gilid ng... sa labas ng
classroom?
Ng classroom.
Oo.
Ano ako din? Tawag dito?
Nakasilip.
Nakasilip lang ako kasi yun yung pinalting.
Yun yung... Pag doon ka lang pwede manood ng klase kapag late ka.
Mag-standing ovation ka, pre.
So after ng subject niya, doon na lang ako papasok.
Ala.
Tapos yun, medyo na-off na ako doon. Pumunta na lang ako ng kantin, kumain.
Yan, ginagawa ko minsan eh.
Ako nagkakating ako eh, nung elementary.
Ito talaga honest, nung
Kating talaga ako lagi.
first day of school ko, talagang nagkating ako.
Pag mga first day. Kasi yun yung perfect time mag-cutting kasi wala pang tinuturo.
Kasi siya talaga, parang lang,
Orientation.
Papakilala yung bagong estudyante.
introduce yourself. Ako dun, matagal na ako dun sa school na yun. Kaya, ayun.
Kunwari sa first day of class, demure.
Kunwari mysterious.
Mysterious.
Pero pagka kalagitnaan ng ng semester,
Kasali ka na sa lista ng
noisy.
Feeling heartland ka pa sa una-una eh.
Sorry naman Kyler late kasi ako nakapasok ng live. Huwag ka na mag-ay.
Sige, lumabas ka muna.
Huwag ka na magpaliwanag.
Tumingin ka muna sa window.
Joke.
Yeah, he's very busy with ICX right now.
Yeah, ICX.
ICX.
I haven't watched the whole episode yet.
Ako napanood ko na.
The whole one, the whole thing. Ano nangyari pa bang sa kanya? Okay naman siya doon.
Okay naman siya. Doing very well naman.
Yeah, he does well. We're not
Galing
really
ka talaga mag-Korean.
Wow.
Ang galing naman mag-Korean.
He is the best in Korean out of all
Yeah.
of us. We can't compete with Uli
Martins.
Magne.
Kahit sa mga pronunciation.
Yeah. He's like, who are you even?
Tapos may ganda pa yun na, di ba kumakanta tayo ng Korean for
May isa daw hindi pinayagan sa concert.
kasama natin si sino kumanta tayo ng Leaves? Saan yun ulit?
Saan YouTube yun?
Oo.
World.
Oo, yun. Tapos kumanta tayo ng Korean.
Yeah.
Tapos nagpapaturo kay Mark.
Yung song
Sabi ko,
Yeah,
paano
yun
kanta
daw.
ito? In Korean, tapos sabi niya. Tapos, anong lyrics nun?
Nenoni.
Ayun, Nenoni. Tapos sabi ko, kanta mo, Nenoni. Tapos sabi ko, gets. Tapos kinanta ko pa rin, Ninoni, bitchy.
Yun yung part na nag-blending tayo. So pag nag-blending kami, yung kanya may accent na
Ninoni. Well, di matanggal yung pagka-waray.
Waray.
Parang medyo mainit dito, no?
Actually, we didn't turn on the
Hindi kasi naka-open yung aircon, pre. Teka, open natin.
Pati ako. Kahit sobrang bilis naman.
Birds of a feather, we should stick together. No.
Ba't tangkad mo naman? Nakakainis.
We'll be together. That may.
Okay. Is my zipper open?
Huwag kang magpaliwanag.
Uy, malapit na magsimula! Malapit na! Ay, ito ba yun? Are we going to hear Racer Kos 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 again?
I wanna perform Costos.
Kos Kos Kos!
Ayan si Jiro daw.
Jeremy
version.
Kos Kos Kos!
Hi.
Ano yung next na yung chorus?
Link? Okay, wait. Can you go back to the internet? So guys, ito yung link. Shh. Listen to the link. It is onair.kbs.co.kr. I repeat, it's onair.kbs.co.kr. Did you guys get it? And then you go to KBS 2. Dalawa.
Yeah.
Dos.
Alas dos.
Dua.
E. Yeah. And then you watch it. It's 6 na.
Merong dito, naglagay ng link.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much for sending the link.
Is it working though?
Naglagay ng link. Yeah, that's right.
Okay, it's currently on a commercial right now.
Grabe nang hihilap ko rin kamay. Sa push-up ko maghahapon.
6:05 din simula pa nung show eh. Okay, ito.
Ano kaya feeling na naging number 1 ka sa ticket Yung number 1 ka talaga.
Number 1?
Sa ticket ceiling.
I haven't bought
Curious lang ako.
concert tickets. I was supposed to originally go to Ayuson Benim's concert before, but the EDSA traffic was so bad I didn't get any. Because I only had money for like Gen An. Parang naubos na yung Gen An. Gusto ko lang marinig si Ayuson Benim. Ako din.
Yung kanta niya?
Yung, love.
Love with Soul?
Love with Soul.
Nag-humming
Wake
na lang.
up! Wake up! Wake up!
Pero gusto ko talaga, gusto ko talaga mapanood ng concert. Kasi
Yeah.
yun yung dream ko yun na mapanood ako ng concert.
Saan daw?
Ayun,
Meron na kapanood pa sila
The
Boys.
The Boys, Easton Charles. Kasi lagi tayong nagpo-perform kaya hindi natin makikita yung sarili natin kung gaano kasaya sa ibang tao.
Ano kayang feeling pumunta sa Horizon concert?
Ano kaya?
Share
Comment. What if hindi ako
Comment na magsayaw doon.
Oh, what if yung lahat tayong manood? So, sino mag-perform?
Yung encores. Iba-iba ka sayaw.
What do you guys wanna see sa concert ba?
Shout out Horizon. Shout out Horizon. Shout out Horizon.
Mali ka pre sa sigaw. Shout.
Sige, gawin mo. Ikaw nagsabi, gawin mo.
Okay lang yung late enrollees.
Okay lang guys, kasi
kapatid.
kahit late kayo, makakapasok pa rin naman kayo, hindi naman kayo papalabasin.
Pero
Kung yung teacher nyo masungit.
pero like 'di ba sa kapag late enroll ka, may brigada yun, tinatawag.
Brigada.
Parang brigada, parang ikaw yung maglilinis doon sa mga
Grabe mo.
Ayaw, pagka-uwian.
Kasi hindi ka nag-enroll, mapaparusahan ka?
Oo. Totoo yun. Tapos kapag late kayo mag-enroll sa concert namin, kayo maglilinis ng mga concert.
Meron, nakita ko yun kasi nung tayo, saan ba tayo nag-show nun? Sinabi ko, ang course, tulungan nyo silang linisin yung confetti, tapos nilinis nga nila.
Ang galing.
Yung confetti.
Oo, ang galing.
Galing sa kanya.
Galing talaga yun. Hindi pa. 1 minute.
Brigada tawag doon.
1 minute. Let's go.
I'm hungry.
Gugutom na ako guys, sana kayo ready.
Kain na lang ako dyan. Dahil lang ako
Nagugutom ako guys, sana kayo ready.
Wow, feed na feed.
Yan na naman, Jay.
Super.
Coconut.
Rister, namimiss niyo daw yung pagiging hyper mo. Ay.
Yan na, taas na lang ang energy doon.
Guys, ito na guys, magsisimula na.
Fighting.
Yay! Ay, paano itong lagyan ng sounds? Tama ba?
We're excited to see.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, yung Horizon Island!
Ano yung todo?
150 yun sa'yo? Preference lang. May number lang.
Guys, sa mga nagtatanong ng site dyan, meron dyan. Nilista ng mga anchors.
onair.kbs.co.kr Should we chat it?
Yeah. Andyan.
And then,
Spin mo na lang, tapos spin mo.
onair.kbs.co.kr
Let's see.
I'm not sure if that's gonna be the working one, but it's kind of like that. If you search a KBS on Google,
Wala si Boy.
Ganda mo na.
Oo, pwede na sila invite. Sino ba naglalaro dyan?
Guys, sino naglalaro sa inyo ng COD?
wait, are we on the right channel? Why is it not? It's 6:05 though. Why is it not still starting?
Maybe it's natin late.
Hindi pa magsisimula yung online class sa November 3 pa. Kaya mag-enroll na kayo guys.
Walang online ka sa November 3, boy.
Hindi mag-online class tayo. November 3.
F2F yun. Oo, face to face.
Hindi, November 1. di ba November Team Morning?
Hindi naman natin.
Agree to disagree.
Agree to disagree.
We should stick together.
Kami dapat mag-live. Sige, mag-live na kami, mga friend.
Wow.
Kuksan.
Face to face ba? Sorry.
Talk English daw.
Ne, ano?
Sorry, I'm lost in translation.
We should
Yeah,
speak
because
English
I
there's
only
a
use
bus.
my English skills during Wednesdays. Sorry, but now I will use it on a Saturday because I have radio shows on Wednesdays.
Oh, yeah.
So that's where I release all of my English skills that I have accumulated throughout my life. Wow. How about you? When do you release your English skills?
I think when I was
When I was
I think when I was a high schooler.
Oh,
Wow.
What was your strength?
My strength is my
May muscle.
No, your
Muscle.
senior high strength. Your
okay, my strength.
여보세요.
My strength is you know Yums.
Wow. Grabe,
YouTube.
galing mo mag-games ka.
I mean
잠시만요.
Okay guys,
잠시만요.
over the live. So yeah.
no, I'm a HRM.
HR.
Yeah, HRM student.
Oh. What? Do we have to go?
We can go up kasi may TV sa taas.
Okay, guys. Guys, we'll cut. Oh,
Mawawala yung wifi.
do we need to cut it or no? Just continue it.
Kinsa na? We're just gonna elevator.
Yeah, we're gonna go to elevator, guys. No, it's fine. Just leave it there. Then let's go.
Okay, we're still live. We're in here. Parking.
No, we're here.
No, don't.
Oh yeah. Going to fifth floor here.
죄송합니다.
Who is watching?
Nandiyan ka pa rin?
I think. Do you have what?
Wala akong wifi. Ah, bulo.
There's no wifi.
Okay. Hello?
Okay.
Ayo po. Nandito kami sa ni Depunin, sa office ni Depunin.
We're going.
Sit down, guys. This is my
Wow, may sopa. Bago yung sopa. Ano to? Muta upuan. Masami ka? Can you get na the box para may stand to?
sit down.
I'll just go here sa box. I'll just go here. Okay.
Ano na tayo? Pamo nga.
Okay, we're just waiting.
We're watching Saturday. Oh.
So right now we're just waiting to parang start yung Immortal song. Immortal.
Sorry, the signal was off in the elevator.
Yeah, sorry guys.
Nasa baba pa rin tayo.
And then the end.
And then what's the password?
Yun pa rin. Okay. Ito, gano'n. Same lang. Oh, yes. Baka yun pa rin. Oh! Wow!
Instant.
We actually didn't see the actual run. Yeah. We didn't get to monitor afterwards because he was still busy filming the whole episode. So after we shot our performance. Oh, it's feeding in the survivors.
Wow!
Oh, di ba?
Grabe.
Grabe, nag-rehearsal sila, no?
Crazy.
Wow, diba?
Diba? We also saw the remote you can vote.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yung upuan.
We also tried to click it.
Let's read the comments.
Ooh, he's going to perform now!
Yay! Let's go! We're watching our immortal songs with Isang Choson Venue.
Anong pinapanood niyo, guys?
Kakasagot ko yan tayo. Hey!
Wow!
Alright! Kamkaming nila! He always likes to mention that.
Yeah.
Big up! Seriously!
Okay, you.
But still not gonna start, it's later. Okay, go. Oh, it's Bigawa! Yeah, it's the first prod.
First.
We didn't read this.
I read it.
Parang dito mag-video. Gumagalaw. Gumagalaw.
Inspired.
Parang kang ano dyan stage mom ka dyan. Stage mom?
Wow!
Uy,
Wow, let's go!
Isang Choson Venue.
Gonna watch it.
보고 싶었어. Let's dance.
Go.
And Marcus taught the audience how to dance the already dance.
Ang galing nga nila, grabe.
So that's why they're dancing along. They taught them beforehand.
Wow, Charlie.
Wow.
Charas niyo.
Oh my gosh, is this where?
Yeah.
It's like
Starting now! Okay, tas in-edit out.
okay, go out!
Hindi mo pala to. Hindi pa to. Ayun na!
Wow!
Let's go!
Let's go, Ruben!
Mommy, I'm in KDS! Yes!
Who are these people? Whoa, who's that?
Pogi ko yan!
Ah, pogi, oh.
Hala! Hala!
Hello. Okay.
Okay! Let's go! Hey, this one we also did sa concert niya.
Yeah.
Eh, kembot naman siya eh.
Let's go, guys.
Wow. Wait, I can't believe I'm in Immortal Songs.
Yeah.
We're in Immortal Songs.
Bigay na yung ano mo.
Tito, yung cellphone mo, tabingin yung video.
Hindi na naman.
They're dancing along.
Let's go!
Wait, may pasabog, may pasabog! May pasabog yan!
May balloons. Wow.
Balloons. Ayan na. Merong mag-aano dito. Okay, ayan na. May Olympics mangyari. Oh! Hey!
Spidol. Oh, let's go. Wow.
Tahimik lang siya dyan, pero nagtatambling-tambling. Let's go!
Hey, drop it like it's saying.
We also did it with GK from it.
Yeah. Ang galing na mag-rap. Sobrang lakas.
He hyped us up.
Hey, let's go. Hey,
Let's go. Hey!
Oh,
Let's
go.
go! Woo! Yeah! One take lang yan, guys. Actually, one day lang ata natin pinapos yun.
Yeah.
Gabi na.
Clutch, pre-clutch.
Clutch.
Clutch.
Let's go.
Hey, it was so cool to watch Higawa with a dance break and with rap
Ang
lines.
galing, no?
Yeah, we didn't expect it would have that. Compress! Compress na if you're watching this, we're so thankful. Very thankful. Yeah. So grateful for everything. Thank you so much. He also treat us food afterwards, right? So thank you so much.
Ayun, grabe.
Yeah, this girl.
That girl.
Grabe yung rehearsal nila, no?
Yeah.
Like, nakatula.
Ano kasi namin eh, meron kasi kaming in-ear while doing the rehearsal. So naririnig namin talaga yung voice nila.
They're so live singing.
Grabe.
Actually, ayan, gusto ko panoorin performance nila. Let's go, let's watch.
Thank you.
Wow. Grabe yung galing. Galing.
Yeah, so good.
Meron bang meron bang napanood? Guys, did you watch it too?
Hala, kumukha niya si ano? Si Neil.
Turn natin.
Oo.
Wow, siya pala yung nanalo.
Ganda ng patambling mo.
Nice one.
Solid.
Walang stretching.
Wala mo color natin, pre. Walang vocal warm-up. Nagtambling na siya agad. Walang vocal warm-up. Hindi siya nag-lip trills. Ganun.
Diretso tumbling, no?
Tumbling agad.
Warm-up sa vocal. Wala kang available daw for others. Pakita mo yung video mo. Okay, he will show
Okay guys, papakita sa inyo ni Winston yung ano.
because some people didn't get to watch it. I think it's better if he just post it. Medyo tatabi lang ng camera guys ha. So pasanin mo namin. Huwag po kayo malis.
Sorry.
Yung tito po kasi namin po.
We're in Immortal Songs.
Pakita mo yung special visit.
Hintayin nyo ang dance break ng Higawaga.
May balloons.
Merong mag-aano dito eh. May Olympics mag-aano.
Ayan na! Dance break.
Oh, hey!
Hey!
Oh, let's go! Wow!
Tahimik lang siya yan, pero nagtatawang-tumbling. Let's go!
Hey, jumping like a snake!
Hey!
We also did it with GK.
That's our debut on Immortal Songs.
Galing na mag-rap. Sobrang lakas.
He hyped us up. Hey!
Hey, let's go! Hey! Oh!
Let's go! Yeah!
One take lang yan, guys.
Malapit na yan matapos.
Let's go!
It was so cool to watch Higawa with a dance break and with rap.
Malapit na.
Yeah, we didn't expect it would have that.
Ayan na. Wow!
Thank you so much for
Watching with us.
Oh, ang galing. Galing natin sumayaw.
So yun guys, thank you so much. And don't forget to secure your tickets sa Anchor High. And yeah, support Marcus as Max in IZX.
IZX.
And yeah, see you sa November 3.
Marami pang oras kayo mag-enroll na kayo.
Guys, huwag niyong kakalimutan yung mga baon niyo pag pumasok kayo ng school.
Mag-dinner na kami.